am Kalai Selvi. I'm a speech language pathologist. I graduated from MV Shetty College of Speech and Hearing, Mangalore in the year 2000. And I did my PhD at All India Institute of Speech and Hearing in the year 2006.
Hi, I'm Amit Kelkar. I'm a speech language pathologist and I've graduated in 2005.
A very pleasant morning to all of you. This is Dr. Navneet Gupta, proud alumni of AYJ NHH SRC batch 2001-2005. Presently working at my native place Jammu as an assistant professor to Department of ENT at ESCOM's College and Hospital.
Namaste everyone. My name is Akila Rajappa. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Communication Science and Disorders at East Stroudsburg University of Pennsylvania in the US. I'm an alma mater of Aish. I actually graduated from Aish with a bachelor's in 1996-97. Wish you all a very happy and a wonderful August 9th. I know August 9th is very special for any Aishian. And I've been a cultural secretary of Aish and I know that. Have a wonderful August 9th. Bye.
Hello everyone. Happy Foundation Day to all of you. I am Mrs. Prema, working as an assistant professor at Dr. BRM Hospital, Raipur.
Hi, I'm Vaishali Kole, graduate from Aliya Varjang National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped, Mumbai, passed out in the year 1996. Today working as associate professor in the Center for Disability Studies and Action at the Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I'm very proud to be graduate from Aliya Varjang.
Hi, Leo Dias here, practicing audiologist with 24 years of industry experience. I graduated from Aliya Varjang National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped in the year 1996.
Hello, I'm Prakash Gominathan, Professor and Head of the Department at Speech, Language and Hearing Sciences, Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. I'm a proud alumnus of the All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysore, 1995-2000 batch.
Hi, my name is Veda Percy. I'm a practicing clinical diagnostic and rehabilitation audiologist. I graduated from Aliya Varjang National Institute for Hearing Handicapped in Bombay in the year 1996.
Hi, I'm Jayanti Krishna Kumar. I am audiologist and speech language therapist. I graduated in 1996.
Rajendra Kumar Porika. I have completed my graduation in the year 2006. I have done my post-graduation in the year 2008.
Hi, my name is Pratibha Karam. I've completed my graduation in the year of 2010 from Aliya Varjang National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped, and I've completed my post-graduation from All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, Mysuru in the year of 2012.
Hi, my name is Rinki Barandani Desai. I'm a speech language pathologist and a clinical instructor at the University of Mississippi Medical Center in the United States. I graduated in 2009 and I'm a proud graduate of AYJ NIHH Mumbai.
Hello, good morning. Myself Ramanathan Tejas. I completed my graduate program in the year 2010 and master's program in the year 2012. Both graduate.
Hello, my name is Priyadarshini, research scholar. I have completed my bachelor's in 2010 and master's in 2012 from AYJ SRC, Secunderabad. Now I am pursuing my PhD at Aish, Mysore.
Namaskar friends. Myself Amol Mankar. I completed my graduation in audiology from SRC, Secunderabad in 2017.
Hello everyone, this is Neelakanti Sharad. I have completed my bachelor's from Aliya Varjang National Institute Southern Regional Centers in the year 2007 as well as my master's in the year 2010.
Hi, this is Bandla Lenin Babu. I did my bachelor's from AYJ NIHH SRC Secunderabad in the year of 2010. After that, did my master program from Helen Keller's Institute of Speech and Hearing in the year of 2012.
Hi, I'm Kritika Kunda. I'm a speech language pathologist and I'll be graduating in 2021.
Hi everyone, a very happy Foundation Day. I'm Sonal Chitnis, a proud alumni of Aliya Varjang SRC, currently practicing in Pune, and whatever today I am, it's because of my alma mater, my teachers, my seniors. I'm very, very thankful to you all. Wish you all the best. and I miss my NIHH SRC. Jai Hind.
Hi, this is Prabhas Raj. I did my bachelor from Secunderabad Aliya Jung National Institute for Hearing Handicapped 2010. After that, I did my PG from Kolkata Aliya Jung National Institute for.
Hi there, my name is Shreya Shashikant and I'm a speech language pathologist and I'm going to graduate in 2021.
Hi, my name is Shree Nandamuri. I am currently working as an assistant professor in speech language pathology at Grand Valley State University in Michigan. I completed my bachelor's and master's in audiology and speech language pathology at AYJ SRC, and then I completed my PhD in communication sciences and disorders at Bowling Green State University in the year of 2017. Thank you.
Good morning. Myself, Yamini Sindhura Gantasala. I have done bachelor's in ASLP from NIHH in 2011 and master's in 2013 from NIHH.
Hi, myself Shanti. I am speech language pathologist and I have done my MSc in speech language pathology from Mysore University in 2012.
Hi everyone. This is Meenakshi Cheruku. I have completed my graduation in the year of 2010 from Aliya Jung National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped, Secunderabad. I have completed my post-graduation from the Swikar Institute of Rehabilitation Sciences in the year of 2012. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shabina. I'm an audiologist and I've graduated in 1996.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम नचिकेता राउत है। मैं राष्ट्रीय बहुदिव्यांगजन सशक्तिकरण संस्थान या निपमड जिसे कहते हैं चेन्नई में जो है अभी उसका निर्देशक या डायरेक्टर हूँ। जैसे अलीवर जंग है हमारा हियरिंग हैंडीकैप्ड नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द हियरिंग हैंडीकैप्ड कहते हैं ना, वैसे 9 नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं, उसमें से एक नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर द एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ पर्सन्स विद मल्टीपल डिसेबिलिटीज़ जो कि चेन्नई में है। मैं वहाँ काम करता हूँ और मैंने अपना बैचलर्स इन ऑडियोलॉजी एंड स्पीच रिहैबिलिटेशन BSc ASR हुआ करता था उस समय 1994 95 नहीं 95 96 97 में किया था। उस समय वो मूवी आई थी माचिस छोड़ आए हम वो गलियाँ, उस वक़्त किया था। अलीवर जंग मुझे आज भी याद आता है और कल रात जब मैंने सोचा और पढ़ा नंदू को कि हमें कुछ कहना है उसके बारे में तो बड़ी बहुत सी अच्छी यादें आएँ। अगर मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश करूं तो 3 चीज़ें हैं जो कि ज़िंदगी में ज़रूरी होती हैं। पहला डेवलपमेंटल स्किल्स, विकास के साथ साथ कुछ चीज़ें हम सीख जाते हैं, वो ज़रूरी होती है ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए। दूसरा लाइवलीहुड स्किल्स या रोज़गार के लिए रोटी कपड़ा मकान कमाने के लिए कुछ सीखने की ज़रूरत होती है, वो भी सिखाता है हमें हमारा कॉलेज और स्कूल। और तीसरा होता है लाइफ स्किल्स जो कि ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए ज़रूरी होती है, जिनके चलते आपका ज़िंदगी खुशनुमा होता है, आप लोगों के साथ अच्छा उठ बैठ पाते हैं। अलीवर जंग मुझे विशेष प्रिय इसलिए है क्योंकि उसने ना केवल मुझे लाइवलीहुड स्किल्स सिखाया, मुझे लाइफ स्किल्स भी सिखाया। कैसे उठना बैठना है, कैसे लोगों से बात करना है, कैसे कपड़े पहनना है, ये तमाम तरह की चीज़ें सिखाया। मैं आज भी हमारे जितने गुरु हैं जिनसे हमने वो सीखा, मेरे जितने सीनियर्स हैं, नंद कुमार जी हमारे सीनियर हुआ करते थे, हैं आज भी, और जब भी हमें कुछ समझ ना आता था तो मुझे याद है कि उनके कमरे में जाओ, बत्ती धीमा करो, लेट जाओ उनके बिस्तर पे और बोलो नंदू रिहाब ऑडियोलॉजी ज़रा सुनाओ, कल एग्जामिनेशन है। और नंदू बिल्कुल गाने की तरह सुनाते चले जाते थे। तो खूब याद आता है वो दिन। आज भी प्रणाम करते हैं उस भूमि को और वहाँ के सभी शिक्षकों को। 9 अगस्त की ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Vanakkam, Nandu Radhakrishnan. I did my undergrad and masters in Aliya Jung National Institute for the Hearing Handicapped between 1993 and 1998. If you want to know how our profession, audiology and speech pathology, started in India, I think you should click this link here now.